Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Philips Base Plus in-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones. What we have here is the SHB4305 BK model. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. On the sides of the box, you see the features of these headphones, such as the 6-hour battery life. Behind, you see a clear transparent cover through which you can see what the earphones look like. Now let's open up the package. Inside, you have the headphones themselves, an extra set of ear tips, a micro USB charging cable, a quick start guide, safety warnings, notice of compliance, and an information booklet. Now coming to the headphones. These ear tips are not magnetic. You get pre-installed earrings with these headphones, which makes it comfortable to wear. These ear tips are the standard silicone ear tips. These headphones have a 12.2 mm speaker driver which provides a big powerful bass. They are designed for optimal passive noise cancellation. On the right ear tips, on opening the flap with the Thunderbolt logo, you see the micro USB charging output. On the left side of the headphones, you see the inline microphone, behind which you see the power button or call-in button or the play pause button and the volume controls. These headphones have no proper neckband, it's just naked wire. There is no proper protection either. These headphones have got a 2-year warranty. So that's it guys, that was the unboxing of the Philips Base Plus in-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones. Thank you for watching and goodbye.